Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daramila Damilala. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I'm a nurse in the United Kingdom. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you for wanting to do this with me. And to my new subscribers, thank you for coming on board. I really appreciate. In this episode, I will be sharing with you how I was able to apply for my Morocco visa, the basic steps that are involved in applying for a Morocco visa. Like I promised I was going to do this in my last video. So here it is. It's quite short. This video will be short and straight to the point. So what I did was I went on the website. The website is in Arabic language, the Moroccan language. You just need to change it to English language, so it's easy for you to navigate. It's easy for you to access. So after I changed the language, I started off the application. It's pretty easy, straight to the point. You just need to fill in your details, and then it requires you to upload your international passport, and then you need your BRP. It's very important. I think those are the key documents for those in the United Kingdom. So I think the people outside, the people that are not in the United Kingdom, you would still need your passport, basically. So I think where I had a little bit of each was where I had to upload a passport photo. You need to upload the passport photo in the long run during the process. So what happened was there's a particular size and particular way they wanted it and all of that. So I kept on uploading lots of things. Funny how the picture that worked for me was a picture that I took a selfie. Like a random picture that is not even so professional. And that was what worked. So so after that, I paid for my visa. After I'd applied, uploaded my passport, uploaded my PRP, uploaded my passport photograph. I paid for it. I think I paid about 70 dirham. I can't remember how much I paid physically. Was it 70 pounds or 70 dirham? I think it was 70 dirham. I can't remember. So you have to pay in dirham. There are a couple of banks that allow you to pay in dirham. I think I was able to use my Revolut account, a Revolut bank card, to make the payment. I think a lot of banks in the United Kingdom will allow you to pay with your bank card. For other countries, I do not know. I'm sorry, but I know you should be able to pay in dirham even in other countries. So I paid for it, and then so they require your email address and all of that. And then a few days later, I got my e-visa in my mailbox. So it was pretty easy. I think I did the application in like 15 minutes, just because I had the necessary document. That's my international passport and my BRP. For people in other countries, I think what would be applicable is if you have, because it's a visiting visa anyway, so you need to be able to show that you are in that country legally and that you you have something substantial doing in the country, maybe like a letter from your employer, a letter to show you're a member of an organization, something to show that you are in that country and you're from that country. So it's pretty easy. But for people in the United Kingdom, you just need your passport and international passport and your BRP, and then your passport photograph, the one you need to upload. It's pretty easy, nothing serious, and then you pay for it and your e-visa is in your mailbox. When you're traveling, please take along with you your BRP. They usually ask for it at when you're entering into the country, when you're entering into Morocco, and when you're stepping out. So please, it's very vital you go with your BRP, and it's very vital you have your necessary document. And please print your e-visa. Please print your e-visa. It will come in handy. Yeah. So basically, there's nothing much to it. It was quite easy. I think it was the easiest visa application I've done so far. So it's really easy, nothing much to it. Thank you for doing this with me. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. I told you this video is going to be very short. I don't want it to be so long. In my next video, I will be bringing something nice. I will be bringing something juicy to you. I will be telling you a little very secret. So thank you for doing this with me. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you. See you. Bye.